Hello students, in today's lesson we'll be covering up the topic of distributive laws. In this particular topic we'll be covering up what distributive laws of unions over intersection are and distributive laws of intersection over union, and to solve a few examples. To know what a distributive law of union over intersection are, you should know this particular formula by heart. This property is also called the associative law of union over intersection. So A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersecting A union C. So whatever shared common elements of between set B and set C are would also be combined with set A. Having to look at an example, set A is 1, 3, 5 and 7, set B having 2, 4, 5 and 8, with set C as 3 and 8. First we solve the left hand side. We first solve the brackets first with B intersecting C. To know what the common elements between set B and set C are, it's just element 8. And then we find the union with set A, which results to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. The right hand side is now to be solved. First you find out A union B. A union B results as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. A union C as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. Now in order to find the intersecting elements or the common elements between the two unions, we need to find the common elements. The common elements would equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. And hence it's been verified that both the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And the property is true. To know the distributive laws of intersection over union, it should be remembered as A intersection B union C with A intersecting B union A intersecting C. This property is known as associative law of intersection over union. So the union was just replaced with the intersection, and the intersection was replaced with the union for the two particular distributive laws. In order to solve a particular example, we have the same values or the elements present. So first we'll solve the left hand side where we solve the brackets, or meaning B union C. To know what the union would be, it would amount to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. To find the intersection of with set A, you know that it would amount to element 3 and 5. Now we move on to the right hand side. We try finding A intersection B, which is element 5. To know what A intersection C would be, it would be element 3. And once you find the union between the two found out intersecting or shared elements, they amount to 3 and 5. So hence, the distributive law of union over intersection is also verified. Thank you so much, and we hope you understand the distributive laws of union.